Morning, everybody. So I've been looking for like a storage bin for my truck, but I never knew what to get. So I want to have all the things under my seats, like back there and under there. So, but I didn't want to get the storage that goes here because I always keep my seat up for the dogs. So I decided to go with the swing case that goes on the back of your truck. So that's what we're going to be installing today. Alright, so the way this thing works is it goes on the side of your truck right there, and it's attached by two screws on this side and 4 on this side. So this swings out, so it allows it to swing out this way, and then it locks in right there. And then to unlock it, you pull this. So let's try to figure out how to install. Alright, so took a lot of measuring and wiggling around, so I think I finally got it where I want it to be, because the bed is more rounded and it has the bed liner spray on it. It kind of doesn't sit flush or even, so I'm gonna have to add a washer to make it flat and sit perfect, so it's nice and tight and not bouncing around. And I think that's where I want it to sit. It's gonna sit a little higher, like about there. Yep, that's perfect. So that's exactly where it's gonna sit. We're gonna start by putting a screw at the bottom with one washer, just to be safe, and then we'll work our way up, screwing each hole so we don't mess anything up. Let's get started. Whoops, I started drilling before I started recording. for the lock, which I need to go get and bring so we can lock it so nobody steals it. This is the release, and there you go. And like I said, this is where it locks, so when you pull it, it releases the latch from that end. And then to close it back, and it locks it there. And that's your lock. Inside, decent, has a little pocket and this tray. And a little rubber seal for the weather. It's not that great, but it works. Now, let's see what we're gonna put in there. We're gonna take all our stuff. So, quick emergency kit. Let's take this toolbox. Let's see. We got a small first aid kit. Our toe strap. What else we got in there? So. Everything out of the doors. That, throw it back there. More rope, throw it back there. All our toe straps, well, not toe straps, all our bike straps. So that's all that was inside the truck before. So somehow now we gotta fit it in there. And we'll have to organize a little bit. This is for the bikes or whenever we carry stuff. Our toe strap for when we go to Pismo. Lock that we use to do towing in the sand. Bunch of extra bungee cords. More bungee cords. More bungee cords and bungee cords. You always need one extra long strap and two signs. This is just like a metal to keep the toe strap intact so it's not falling apart while it's stored. Just twist it, locks it in there. Air horn, no idea, bought it for a party, never used it. Emergency roadside kit, one of those cheap ones from like Costco. Just decided to get. Has emergency blankets, bungee cords, tire air pump, light, funnel, duct tape, and jumper cables. Let's close that. Let's see if we can fit all this in the box. So flat thing, we'll remove that for now. Put it here. Emergency roadside kit. Jeez, that takes up a lot of space. Let's take that out. Toe strap. Wonder if we can fit our kit. Toe strap. Emergency kit. Gloves. Hitch lock. And then different ropes down there. You don't really use those. Things like that. A larger toe strap. Don't use that often. The regular toe straps. And all our bungee cords on this end. And this just kind of sits up there for trash like that. Then wish I could put this whole bag in there. But doesn't look like it's gonna happen. And just like that. Put it up. And I just need to go get my lock so nobody can steal it. And we're all set. It's not bad. Could fit a lot, but I wanted it more for a toolbox than a storage bin, but oh well. Then has a key to lock it, and now nobody can steal it. And it only works if you lock it. Kind of a weird setup, but that works. Sweet. It's not bad for a swing case where you could just store your things, but it's pretty good. Fits good. So I had to remove my flagpole mount that I had there. I moved it over there. And then I have my secondary flagpole right here. Or whenever, I always used to carry 2 flags. So now I had to move one over there to the back and one right here. But yeah, we'll test it out, see how well it does, and I'll let you guys know. But so far so good. I like it. Yeah, that was the swing case, easy install and everything, so not too bad. Now I gotta go mess with my flagpoles, so till next time guys.